Eating well on a tight budget doesn't mean sacrificing flavor, variety, or nutrition. In fact, some of the most delicious and satisfying meals can be made with just a few affordable ingredients. Whether you're a college student, feeding a family, or simply trying to watch your spending, it's absolutely possible to create hearty and wholesome dishes for less than $10. Today, let's explore a collection of budget-friendly recipes and practical shopping tips so you can enjoy truly tasty meals that don't break the bank. First, let's talk about the essentials of cooking on a budget. Planning is key. Before you even head to the grocery store, take a moment to look through your kitchen and see what you already have on hand. Making use of pantry staples like rice, pasta, beans, and spices can cut down on costs, and these items can serve as the backbone for a variety of recipes. Next, create a shopping list. This helps you avoid impulse buys and ensures you only purchase what you truly need. Shopping for in-season produce, buying in bulk, and choosing generic brands instead of name brands are additional ways to keep your spending in check. Now, let's dive into some recipes that are as easy on your wallet as they are on your taste buds. Our first recipe is a timeless classic, a hearty vegetable stir-fry. With just a few low-cost vegetables and some rice, you can prepare a meal that's both filling and full of flavor. Begin by selecting vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, broccoli, and onions. These are not only affordable, but also packed with nutrients. Cut the vegetables into bite-sized pieces. In a large skillet or wok, heat a splash of oil. Vegetable or canola are usually the cheapest options. Sauté the onions and carrots first, as they take a bit longer to cook. After a couple of minutes, add in the bell peppers and broccoli. Stir-fry until the vegetables are tender but still crisp. If you have soy sauce or a little garlic, add these for extra flavor. Serve the stir-fry over a bed of rice, which you can cook in advance. This simple yet satisfying dish can easily feed a family of 4 for under $10, especially if you buy the vegetables in season or on sale. If you're craving something with a bit of comfort, look no further than a classic chili. For a vegetarian version that's very budget-friendly, start with a can or two of beans. Kidney beans and black beans work wonderfully. Add a can of diced tomatoes, a diced onion, a bell pepper, and frozen corn if you have it. In a pot, sauté the onion and bell pepper until soft. Add the beans, tomatoes, corn, and a generous spoonful of chili powder. Simmer the mixture for at least 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to combine. If you like a little heat, toss in some cayenne pepper or hot sauce. Serve your chili with a side of cornbread or over rice. This single-pot meal is ideal for batch cooking and leftovers, stretching every dollar even further. For a taste of the Mediterranean, try a simple pasta puttanesca. Pasta is one of the best items for budget dinners because it's filling and inexpensive. For this recipe, you'll need spaghetti or penne, a can of diced tomatoes, a handful of olives, optional but flavorful, a few cloves of garlic, and some dried herbs like oregano or basil. Start by cooking your pasta according to the package instructions. While it cooks, heat a bit of olive oil in a pan, add minced garlic, and gently sauté until fragrant. Add the canned tomatoes and sliced olives, then sprinkle in your herbs, and let the sauce simmer. Toss in the cooked pasta and mix well. Finish with a pinch of salt and pepper, and if you have a bit of Parmesan cheese to spare, sprinkle that on top. In under 30 minutes and for just a few dollars, you'll have a pasta dish that feels fancy without the hefty price tag. Eggs are another incredibly versatile and cost-effective ingredient. A vegetable omelet makes a quick and nutritious meal for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Start with a couple of eggs per person and beat them in a bowl. For fillings, use any vegetables you have on hand: spinach, mushrooms, tomatoes, or even leftover cooked potatoes. Sauté the vegetables in a pan with a little oil, add the eggs, and cook gently, folding the omelet as it sets. You can add a bit of cheese if your budget allows. Serve your omelet with toast or a simple salad for a meal that's high in protein and satisfaction, but very low in cost. For those nights when something comforting and filling is needed, why not make a pot of homemade soup? Lentil soup, in particular, is both hearty and economical. You'll need dried or canned lentils, carrots, onion, celery, and broth or water. Sauté the chopped vegetables in a large pot until softened, add the lentils and liquid, and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat, cover, and simmer until the lentils are tender, usually about 25 to 30 minutes. Season with salt, pepper, and herbs like thyme or parsley. Lentils are loaded with protein and fiber, making this soup not only budget-friendly but also incredibly satisfying. It's also possible to enjoy vibrant international flavors on a budget. For example, try making a curry with chickpeas. All you need is a can of chickpeas, a can of coconut milk, onion, garlic, and curry powder. Sauté the onion and garlic, add the curry powder, then stir in the chickpeas and coconut milk. Simmer until thickened and serve over rice. This meal is rich, flavorful, and costs just a few dollars to prepare. Let's not forget about breakfast. Oatmeal is a staple for good reason. It's affordable, nutritious, and can be customized to your taste. Cook oats with water or milk, and add toppings like sliced bananas, peanut butter, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Buy oats in bulk for even deeper savings. Finally, make leftovers your friend. Many of these recipes are perfect for doubling, allowing you to stretch your investment across several meals. Store leftovers in the refrigerator or freezer for easy lunches or dinners later in the week. Cooking delicious meals for under $10 is not only possible, but can be fun and creative. All it takes is a bit of planning, some versatile ingredients, and the willingness to try new combinations. Eating on a budget can be an adventure, leading you to discover new flavors and dishes you might have otherwise missed. So grab your grocery list, head to the kitchen, and enjoy the satisfaction that comes from making tasty, affordable meals at home.